Friday edition of The Law and You. Back with us, award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, I love finishing up my work week with you.
We're ready for spring.
It's here. You are. And
May 1st, let's go.
70s on the way for the weekend, the first full weekend of May, and we've got an important legal issue to handle before we head into the weekend. Here's our question today, and this one is in from Angelo in Old Forge. My sister was involved in a really bad car crash with a drunk driver. We learned that the driver was drinking at a local bar, but doesn't have this type of insurance. How is that possible? Do I need an attorney? Is there anything Angelo in Old Forge can do about this situation?
Well, Angelo, you know, you may be out of luck here. Unfortunately, in Pennsylvania, bars are not required to have what's called dram shop insurance. A lot of good, responsible bar owners do, but there's a lot of bars that don't. And if this particular bar doesn't have any type of dram shop insurance, and they don't have any assets, then there's not going to be anything that you're going to be able to actually go after. So the answer is yes, you do need an attorney, but at the end of the day, you might be out of the box on this.
And there may be car insurance that's out there from the driver, but what Ed was talking about is this dram shop liability, that it's basically liquor liability, and for some reason our legislature doesn't think that that bar owners should require it. And you think about it, bars serve alcohol. They should have insurance to protect if they do that negligently. This is clearly an issue for the legislature. You pick up your phone and ask them why they're letting them do that.
All right, as always, some great advice. And our viewers who need some legal help or direction, how can they get in touch with you?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. And if you want some of the addresses to the legislature, we'll give you that as well.
All right, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning on Eyewitness News with our coffee.
Oh,
in the meantime, don't forget Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks. PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline.